Kawawa ang kanyang tatay, guys. Oh, gambakan ng itlog. Sa mong tatay, mabugok na.
That is it, look.
Baby girl, it's now 6 o'clock na, Judnak. Bless mama, B. Bless mama, because it's 6 o'clock. Ooh, I love you.
Which is marijuana. That's true.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday, the 26th of August, and it's currently, what time is it now?
It is 2:50 p.m.
2:50 ng hapon, and magla-lunch break kami ni Daddy Mike. And you know what we're going to do? Mag-workout kami. Ayan. Kasi sunny din siya sa labas, so it will be good. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
And kaka-open lang ni Daddy Mike ng kanyang parcel. Si postman ay dumating kanina, and tingnan nyo ang dala. Si Daddy Mike ay nag-online shopping din, guys. And what's this one, Daddy?
Tracksuit pants.
Oh, why is it in size extra small? This will fit me, guys. So I can use this too.
Because I like it tight.
Of course you like it tight.
Yes. Don't be...
Tapos meron pang jeans. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Ito pala ay from Cotton On. Is that Cotton On, Daddy?
Half price sale.
Oh, nag-half price daw sila. Kaya si Daddy Mike ay napabili. So this is $49.99. So does that mean that you only pay $25?
Yeah.
Ito pala yung box na lagyan. Guys, oh. Cotton On. What was the other one, Daddy? Show that, Daddy?
Oh, yeah.
There's another parcel, guys, para rin sa kanya. Dalawa yung dumating para sa kanya today. Tingnan mo. What's that?
That is a facial serum.
Yeah.
And that is
Here's the...
yeah, see that? It's a body lotion. And they are from an Australian-based company. So it's going to be good quality, and they're made from hemp, which is marijuana. It's true. It's very good. Marijuana's got very good medicinal properties.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
How did you call it? Hemp.
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 Yeah. So hemp is like the seed. Hemp is like the seeds of the marijuana.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it says hydrate, give your skin a drink. Thank you, Daddy Mike. Kasi si Daddy Mike, guys, maalaga yan siya sa katawan niya. Kaya tingnan niyo yan siya. Kahit may agwat yung edad namin, guys, parang magkaparehas lang kami ng age. Kahit ako yung matanda, tingnan.
Buy local.
Ito din, guys, I'll show this, Daddy B. This one too, oh, dumating kahapon. Binili din ito niya online, pati itong sa pambaba niya. Oh. Si Daddy Mike na talaga.
Color-coded with the hat. Oh, good. Where's my phone so I can go?
Tapos sa labas na kami, guys, kasi very sunny sa labas. Oh, very nice. Hi loves! It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon at kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina pagkatapos namin mag-workout kasi alam nyo guys, sobrang sakit talaga ng katawan ko. I was so tired. Parang, anong tawag dito? Hindi ako nasusuka pero parang labad akong ulo ba? So I burned, how many calories, Daddy?
630.
630 calories.
In 45 minutes.
Yeah. Oh my God. And you know what, guys? Yung last talaga na ginawa namin ni Daddy Mike is, we ran around the oval 3 times. Parang mamamatay talaga ako, guys. Sobrang sakit talaga ng katawan ko. Even now talaga, oh. Tingnan nyo, magbe-build na talaga ang muscles ko ba? Kumain ako ng lunch. After that, kumain ako ng chicken na niluto ni Daddy with oyster sauce. Hindi ko pala napakita yun sa inyo guys kasi nung niluto ni Mike yun, after ng dinner na namin ba, so late na. So hindi ko na vlog kung paano niya niluto. But next time, Daddy, when you cook that, again, I will vlog it.
Sure.
So they will see how you cook it, yeah?
Sure.
Yeah, ito palang ginagawa ni Daddy Mike guys. O, naglalaro ng kanyang PS4. And ngayon ay pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl kasi alam niyo na, you know the drill, 5 o'clock kailangan natin pick upin si Paris. And I'm very excited guys kasi tomorrow and Friday wala akong trabaho. So may annual leave ako guys kaya makakapag-relax sa atin yung walang iisipin na trabaho. I'm super excited and super happy talaga. Pero, iiwan ko muna yung ko dyan, mga computer ko dyan na yan. Kasi meron pang mga kailangan talagang tapusin ba mamaya. I'll just finish it later pag nakauwi na kami ni Baby Paris. Ayan, 5:16 na ng hapon. Right, Daddy, I'm going. Paris, what are you eating, my love? Show Mama, B? Show Mama? Is that crackers? Wow! Yummy, yummy! Hi, friends! Hi, friends! Did you have a good day now? Did you play? Did you eat? What did you eat?
Crackers.
Oh gosh. Mama will send you out. Open? Open?
Okay.
Give Mama some.
Now one.
Where's the moon? Hello, it's gone. Nakita niya ang moon before ba? Nawala man nagtatago sa clouds. What happened to the moon? Where? Where's the moon? Huh? The moon's gone? Oh no! Oh no! Come get in the car na. Daddy's waiting at home.
No, this moon.
Maybe we'll see the moon when we get home. Go.
This moon.
What is that, now?
This moon is gone. Miss Misak.
Where's the moon?
Misak is in the clouds.
In the clouds. It's behind the clouds, honey. Look, there's the eagle.
It's funny.
It's funny.
This motherfucker. There's more go.
There's more eagle.
There's more go. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye, eagle. Baby girl, it's now 6 o'clock na jud nak. Bless Mama, B. Bless Mama, because it's 6 o'clock. Ooh, I love you.
I am.
Bless din ikaw kang Daddy. Ikaw. 6 o'clock na talaga, guys. Perfect timing ang aming pagkarating dito sa bahay. Wala, nakangisi na isi. Paris, oh. Hala, wala man yung Daddy. Ito, ito. Wala yung tata niya, oh. Bless din ikaw kang Daddy, ha? Ikaw ang daddy. Archie, go bless that. Daddy, get her to bless you, daddy.
Carlos first.
Yes!
Okay, bless daddy.
Bless daddy.
Carlos mo.
Good girl.
Yay!
You make daddy.
Gugu gaga.
Did you make daddy?
Did you play with Sarah Jane?
And then bang that.
Sarah Jane wasn't there.
Who was there?
And Chua.
Caroline?
Sula. Who else now?
Shushu.
Who else was there?
Shushu.
Tis?
No shushu.
Shushu.
Okay.
Did you eat?
No.
What did you eat? Tell daddy. Was that crackers?
No. Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
What would you like? What would you like? Didi. Nakatapos lang ni Baby Paris na magdidi sa kanyang mama and may kinakain siya. What are you eating, Nak? Almonds.
Yes.
Do you love almonds? Huh? Favorite niya tong almonds, guys. That's good. Yummy, yummy. Show them, Tita B. Show Tita and Tito B. Your almonds. Good girl. And ngayon ay magluluto na rin tayo ng dinner, guys. Sabi pala ni Daddy Mike na merong pork. Yung sobra ng ng sinahog ko sa ating noodles last night ba? O last night. Yun nang lulutuin ko para hindi ma-off.
Oh! Oh!
Kawawa ang kanyang tatay, guys. Oh, gambakan ng itlog. Sa mong tatay, mabugok na. Daddy's itlog, mabugok na ang balot. So, it's now 6:30 and time na para magluto tayo ng dinner, guys. So, ito yung pork. Ayan. Ano pala ito siya? Parang, belly. Pork belly. Kunti na lang yung naiwan kasi ginamit ko yung dalawa nung nagluto ako ng noodles. Kaya, ayan. And kasya lang naman sa amin yan. Tapos, magluluto lang tayo ng rice. Actually, ito yung gagamitin ko pang adobo natin, guys. Mamasitas. Kasi, masarap talaga ang lasa, guys, pag mamasitas. And then, magluluto tayo ng rice para may pares tayo sa ating adobo. Tingnan nyo, oh. Baka mga ilang araw nito, kailangan na naman natin bumili ng rice. Tapos, yung lulutuin natin na rice is isang baso lang, guys. Kasya na to sa amin tonight. Tapos, alam niyo yung ginagawa ko, guys, pag meron pang naiwan na kanin sa umaga, gahimuon akong tughong. I'm not sure how do you call it in Tagalog, guys. Yung tughong, yung bigas ba, tapos nilalagyan ng mainit na tubig, tapos asin. Yan. Kasi nung nasa probinsya pa ako, guys, yan talaga yung ginagawa ng mama ko. Para hindi masayang yung kanin ba, para hindi matapon. So, minsan, di ba, yung kanin, especially yung hindi mamahalin na kanin, katulad ng kanin namin sa Pilipinas before, guys, na very barato. Pag maugmaan, pag mabahaw siya, sobrang hard talaga ng kanin, guys. Kaya yun yung ginagawa ng mama ko. It's either tughong or minsan dinaday ng mama ko yung rice. Tapos, piniprito niya. Ewan ko kung anong tawag doon. Nakalimutan ko na, oy. Pero ang sarap-sarap talaga, guys. Tayong mga Pinoy, para-paraan na lang tayo para hindi masayang ang ating pagkain ba. Ganyan talaga yung mama ko. Sobrang masinop ba. Ayan. Tapos, yun talaga yung nasunod ko, guys. Kaya ngayon, pag may naiwan dito sa aming isang baso na rice sa umaga, tughong muna ko para dili masayang. Ang sarap kaya sa umaga, guys, yung tughong. Try nyo nga rin yan pag magka-time kayo. Mama's cooking. Come. Mama's cooking. Shush! Hi, guys! Hi, guys!
Hey guys, ako.
Habalok ko. Naglabas pala ako ng ganito, guys. Nilalagay ko sa oven natin. Meron tayong chips, tapos yung chicken. Yung mga ganito sa oven, no? Kasi gustong-gusto ko ni Paris.
Sit down.
Mataga ka. So, while I'm cooking, guys, ayan, kausap ko rin yung aking mother dear. Hi, Ma!
Hello!
Oh. Nasa meat shop sila. Sa mga taga-Balingasag, guys, check out our meat shop sa Kuan Highway. Isin Meat Dealer.
Hello, Gil. Come with me. Let's find the rock in the big blue sea.
Next. What time it is now?
Sea.
Shark.
That's right.
Malapit na palang mag 10 o'clock, guys. Ating baby girl.
Hello, Dory. Come with me. Let's find the boat in the big
blue sea.
Hello, Crush.
Nakabihis na
Come
kami
with
pang
me.
tulog, guys. Oh, pero itong batang to,
Let's
hindi pa
find the
natutulog.
wave in the big blue sea.
Big blue sea. Do you like the big blue sea na? Are you going to school tomorrow?
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're gonna see your friends and your teacher.
Hello, Nigel. Come with me. Let's find an island in the big blue sea.
Who do you think you are, Daddy?
Goodbye, friend. Thanks for coming with me.
What's this now?
Well, what did you bloody find in the big blue sea?
You know, nothing, Jones, no.
Ridiculous.
Yes.
Sleep na na.
Tap tap.
Hello, what's this one now?
Fish.
Yes, a clownfish.
Do that.
What's this one?
The turtle. This.
A turtle.
That one?
What's this one?
Starfish.
What's kani
That
ba
one.
kani?
This one.
Kanina. The purple.
Octopus.
Octopus. What's this one?
Starfish.
Starfish.
Green.
What's this one?
Cornfish. This
Clownfish.
one.
What's that?
Um.
Seahorse. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that one? Butiti. Ikaw ay butiti.
Quantity. That one.
That. What's that? In the
Big blue sea.
Yay! Good job.
Hey.
Hello, Peach. Come with me. Let's find a shell in the big...
Blue sea.
Yeah.
Here.
Hello, Gil. Come with me. Let's find a rock in a big...
Blue sea.
Yay! Siya ang tigtapos, guys, sa among kuan sentence. It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi, guys. Ano, ipapatulog na natin ang ating baby girl kasi andyan, buhay na buhay pa rin ang kanyang mata. Nagbabasa sila ng libro ng kanyang daddy. But, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi matutulog na kami. But, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel at sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And of course, sa ating mga existing subscribers, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Magsha-shoutout tayo. And the first one goes to Myla Betasolo, Annie Lynn Atamusa from, and also Ting family of Panabo, Davao del Norte. Shout out to Juvie Love Lalab, Janet Gordon, Arin Panorel, Lisan Bansil, Elsa Navales from Davao City, Ruby De La Rosa, Ate Ruth from Siargao, also sa kanyang tatlong anak daw na si John, SJ, and Queenie. Shout out to Chari Talabok from Manila, Helen Abiertas, Virginia Manaloto, AC Porcalia from Albay, Bicol, Bem Morales from North Caloocan, Chari Salazar from Makati. Shout out to Lelani Pitorio, Queen Survivor TV, watching from Colorado, USA. Hello. Shout out to Grace May Libres from Balingasag, Queenie Ong, Catalina Mempin, Miss Joyce Acoymo, Riza May Sambuang from Aklan. Shout out to Evie, Faith Bartels from Belgium. Shout out to Marian Vals. Shout out to Lovella Raduk from Estancia, Iloilo City. Shout out to Charita Mayo, Rochella Bernaldez, Irene Banas, Mary Joy Pugado, Rose Lomeran. Shout out to Evert Suta 53. And also sa asawa niya daw na si Albert Sueta. Shout out to Cherry Salazar. And also shout out daw sa kanyang pamangkin na si Alexa Suganon, Anne-Marie, and Justin Duarez. And also Janine Esclito of Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Nori Aliada, Golda Ibanez from Karkar, Cebu City, Kane Bernales of London. Shout out to Zel Misiastom, Mary Grace Vida, Arlene Hoover from Virginia, USA. Shout out to Lolita La Cuesta, LV Monte Alegre, Lisan Bansil, Yi V from Taiwan, Earl Kitsi. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, Jamaline Javier, Vivian Bayona, Glenda De La Cruz, Sandra James from Las Vegas, USA. Shout out to Malincia Apundar from Camarines Sur, Glenda De La Cruz. Shout out to Gladys Mandanhuyan. Shout out to Maria Sare, Cherry May Ongayo, Lorelie Absede, Rosemary Romoir, Viviel Elerio, Crystal Bori, Emeline Himaw, Patricia Mondoyo, Annalyn Atamosa, Mary Jane Subere, Fe Guanes, Mi ASMR, Marisa Mendoza, Jeneline Balcorsa, Jerna Reese, Ronald Balaba, Jerry Toribio, and Merly Corpus. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't...
Paris?
Paris the cool. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't...
Careful, bye.
Careful, bye.